June 2026. The entire world stops for one reason. Every city, every screen, one tournament.
Tickets vanish in seconds. Flights sold out in minutes.
But people are lining up for something else entirely.
Something they'll wear whether inside that stadium or not.
A living room in London, and he slots it home. It's a goal! Yes, we scored. Come on.
Ya Rab, Ya Rab, Ganar, Ya Masr.
An office in Tokyo during lunch break.
A Nentia Street em São Paulo that became a stadium.
Parks, clubs, home, office, streets, one jersey everywhere.
160 million jerseys. Sold every World Cup.
But nobody shows you where this actually comes from. Until now.
It starts here. Not a fashion studio. A recycling plant.
8 of these bottles become one World Cup jersey. Optical sensors scan thousands of bottles every single hour. Industrial shredders tear every bottle into microscopic plastic flakes. Hot chemical baths strip every label, adhesive, and contaminant completely.
Every trace of contamination removed before next stage begins. Clean flakes enter industrial drying systems. Moisture completely eliminated. 270 degrees Celsius. Solid plastic flakes become molten liquid. Forced through microscopic holes, thinner than a single human hair.
Cold air hits at -15. Fiber solidifies in milliseconds. Controlled stretching aligns molecules. Stronger than cotton. Half the weight. Heat setting locks molecular structure. Shape memory built in permanently. Thousands of spools filling simultaneously. Each holds fiber for hundreds of jerseys.
Plastic is now performance fiber. Phase 1 complete.
These machines run 24 hours, 7 days a week, non-stop.
Hundreds of fiber threads feed in simultaneously, every single second. Each needle moves 400 times per minute. 0 errors allowed.
3,000 jerseys worth of fabric, every single machine shift.
Engineers map every millimeter. Ventilation zones, stretch zones, compression zones.
Microscopic hexagonal holes engineered exactly where airflow is needed.
Antibacterial coating bonds at molecular level. Not sprayed. Bonded.
Survives 60 industrial wash cycles without degrading. Guaranteed. Moisture wicking treatment pulls sweat off skin in 90 seconds. Dentering frame locks fabric width permanently under controlled heat tension. AI cameras scan every single meter. defects invisible to human eyes.
0.3 millimeters, enough to reject an entire fabric section.
Rejected fabric goes back into production. Nothing wasted. Ever. Only perfect fabric moves forward. No exceptions. No compromises.
Stored at precise temperature and humidity. Fabric properties protected.
More engineering in this fabric than most people wear in a lifetime.
The cutting room, where fabric waste becomes completely unacceptable.
Automated spreaders lay 12 fabric layers simultaneously. Perfect alignment required.
AI calculates every cut position. Fabric waste under 3% guaranteed.
Industrial laser moves at 2 meters per second. Zero deviation.
12 layers cut simultaneously. Accuracy within 0.1 millimeters. Each curved edge cut with surgical precision. No fraying. Ever.
14 separate pieces per jersey. Every panel engineered differently.
Every cut edge inspected immediately. One irregular edge fails entire panel.
Robotic arms sort every piece by size, team, and jersey version. Player issue jersey. Under 150 grams. Built completely differently.
Every bundle labeled. Team. Size. Jersey version. Destination station.
Bundles move directly to assembly. Jersey takes shape for first time.
20 minutes ago. This was a plastic bottle in a bin.
The sewing floor, where every piece finally becomes one jersey.
Flat lock seams. Zero raised edges. Zero friction against player skin.
Side seam joining front and back panel. Alignment must be perfect.
Sleeve attachment. Measured tension locked in. Stretch memory permanent.
The collar. Highest skill level on this entire floor. 1 millimeter matters.
Underarm panels require stretch zone alignment. No margin for error.
Every seam examined immediately after sewing. Nothing passes unchecked.
Seam pull test done manually. Every single jersey. Every single seam.
Bar-tack reinforcement at every stress point. Built for 90 minutes of war.
Automated thread trimmer removes every loose thread. Zero tolerance finish.
Steam pressing sets final jersey shape. Structure locked in permanently.
Structure complete. No color. No country. No identity. Not yet.
National crests manufactured completely separately. Most scrutinized component in entire jersey. 8,000 individual stitches inside one single national crest. Automatic color change. Every thread color verified against official Federation specification.
One wrong thread color. Entire batch rejected. No exceptions whatsoever.
3 federations. 3 crests. Each one legally approved before production.
Alignment template positions every crest to exact millimeter. Always. 160 degrees. 4 bar pressure. Permanently fused, not glued.
Lift. Steam escapes. Crest is now part of the jersey forever.
Bond strength tested immediately after every single press application.
Official FIFA licensed typeface. Font weight and spacing legally protected.
Flexible vinyl engineered to stretch with fabric. Never cracks under match conditions. The FIFA World Cup 2026 patch. Final official element applied.
This patch separates this jersey from every other shirt on Earth.
72 hours of manufacturing. 1 complete official World Cup jersey.
Before any jersey ships, it enters a lab most fans never see.
Seam pulled beyond any force a professional player can generate. Every seam must hold beyond 150 newtons of force.
40 consecutive industrial wash cycles. Colors must not shift 0.5%. Color deviation measured against original standard after every wash cycle.
Crest bond strength tested after 40 washes. Must hold completely firm. Artificial sweat applied across entire jersey surface. Sensors tracking moisture movement.
Moisture must leave skin contact zone within 90 seconds. Always.
2 full seasons of UV exposure simulated inside this single chamber.
Colors must survive stadium floodlights and outdoor conditions. No fading allowed.
Abrasion test simulates 90 minutes of physical contact, repeated 50 times.
Stretch recovery measured by laser. Jersey must return to shape instantly.
Final human inspection. Every detail, every element, every single jersey.
100% pass rate required. No batch averages. No shortcuts.
Green light. This jersey is ready for 140 countries.
Approved jerseys enter final stage. 10,000 units processed every hour. Automated folders replicate exact same fold. Every jersey. Every time. Unique authentication code. Scannable proof of authorized factory origin.
Protective polybag sealed. Fabric properties preserved during entire transit.
Every package scanned. Location tracked in real time. Globally. Robotic arms pack 24 jerseys per carton. 0 manual handling.
Automated taping machine seals every carton in under 3 seconds.
2 million units per week during peak World Cup season. Non-stop. Every carton location known. Every unit tracked. Every second of every day.
Loading docks running 24 hours. Trucks departing every 15 minutes.
1 truck, 30,000 jerseys, heading to International Cargo Terminal.
Dedicated cargo flights. 140 countries. Simultaneously supplied.
London, Cairo, Tokyo, Sao Paulo, all receiving simultaneously.
Regional distribution centers sort final deliveries by country and retailer.
And then, After 72 hours of manufacturing, they arrive.
From a recycling bin to this, 72 hours.
That Caucasian family in London, holding 8 recycled plastic bottles.
That rooftop in Cairo, 3,000 individual stitches.
That office in Tokyo, 14 precision-cut panels.
That child in São Paulo, 6 phases of manufacturing. 1 jersey.
160 million jerseys. 1 tournament. 1 world.
Now you know exactly what a World Cup jersey actually is.